How to enable or disable speak alert message on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. From here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on notifications. From here, tap on advanced settings. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on wireless emergency alerts. Next, scroll down to the bottom, then tap on speak alert message. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Here's a use text to speech to speak wireless emergency alert messages. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.